Okay, today let's talk about how to internalize DOGO three-way forces. This is a box. It has menus, and this is orange for basic pieces. Don't forget it. And this lock out. And this is a filter water hose, filter water hose. This is a red hose for the hot waters. Blue colors for the cold water. This is three forces. Okay. And be careful as the mix handle size with buttons. This is for mark for the hot water and cold water hose. And this size cold point, the red point is for hot water. Yeah. And this blue point is hose is for the cold water, for cold waters. Okay. And at this size for the filter water. And before you internalize, you will prepare for a wrench and screwdrivers. Okay, let's fix the faucet on the sink. But I suggest before you fix the faucet on the sink, should fix two holes on the faucets. But if you fix three holes, you can throw this lock nut. Okay, this you can to pick cannot, and this one you can throw it. So have only two. Okay, first you should fix this orange on pattern, and this filter water hose. Okay, then the lock out. Next one, we have to fix on seat. Okay. Okay, let's fix the faucet on the sink. First rubber, then metal, and we lock this screw. Okay. This hose takes this hot water. And this one cold water. And the one fixed by this quick connector. Okay. Okay, let's take the forces. Okay, finish the internals. Let's test the forces. Okay, it's rubber. Okay. Cold water. Hot water. Mixed water. And the filter water. Very smoothly.